So New Bedford is this quintessential New England seafood town, right? It's windy, there are fishing boats everywhere. I'm excited to go and meet Captain Enrique Franco. He's the captain over a boat called Mary Kay.
Good. So how many days were you out?
We were out for 6 days, doctor.
And you got about 30, 40,000?
Around 40,000 pounds fish on board.
So we got cod,
Haddock, redfish, pollock,
Gristle.
grayson.
and this is your father who taught you how to fish from the beginning, right?
Ice true, yeah.
So when you came to America, you came as a fisherman already?
Yes. I was in Portugal in school, but I always want to be a fisherman.
I started 14 years old.
And you always have the same crew, or?
Same crew for 18 years. They're getting old. For the
67
crew.
years old.
Yeah,
It's
you-
not much.
Hey.
75, the oldest one. So I want to be fishing for at least 10 more years.
Yeah, yeah. It's nice to go out, right? Your office is so beautiful, like.
Oh yeah, this is my life.
Yeah.
This is my life. We just start cooking. You're gonna help us.
I'm ready, I'm ready.
Going on the boat was really exciting. My Swedish grandfather was a fisherman, so it made me reminisce about growing up on the coast of Sweden. Right away, I went down to the galley.
Oh, wow, you got a real kitchen here.
Yeah.
You got a good setup.
You like to express?
Yeah, I would love an espresso.
So I'm gonna cook with Enrique's father, Alcinde. Little did I know that he's basically like a master chef.
What would you call this in Portuguese? What do you call a chowder in Portuguese?
Shorter.
Shorter, yeah.
Shorter.
Shorter.
Yeah.
So maybe the word comes from the Portuguese.
Maybe,
actually.
maybe.
Yeah. This stock smells so good.
I put onions,
Yes,
olive oil,
yes,
Portuguese olive oil.
yes.
Of the
Not Italian olive oil.
No.
No.
The fish is already here cooked.
Oh, this is a beautiful
Yeah.
halibut.
Yeah.
You're gonna flick it up a little bit?
Yes, we're
Yes.
gonna do exactly, yeah. Exactly, yeah.
I mean, you can't eat better than this. This is just
The fresh again.
freshest. Wow.
That's how we do it. Now we're gonna put a handful of rice.
Small hands compared to yours.
There
so-
you go.
There you go.
Chef, look what I have here.
You come in with the secret ingredient
Yeah.
now.
Nice dessert.
Oh, camarones, now. This is almost like a chowder meets a paella, something in between,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. 2 minutes, it's it.
Now gonna taste better for sure. Huh? Wow. You like it?
I love it.
Nice.
I love it. Got it's light, it's fresh.
Now I put the rest of the rice of the put the fish on top. Something like that.
Oh, we're gonna eat.
So after I eat this shower, it looks the same as Popeye. Yeah.
Joe, sit down, my friend.
All right. What a fish.
So in the middle of cooking with Alcinde, Chef Joe came on board and he brought these incredible papa secos. They're the perfect vessel to just scoop up this incredible stew. They're light and they're really crusty. They're absolutely delicious.
Very good.
Oh, good.
Thank you.
Fantastic.
What a way to start the morning.
The Portuguese style. Obrigado.
You hear the history why they say they call the shora?
Yeah, I wanna know.
The big ships when they were fishing, they
Years
were
ago,
eating.
a lot of years ago.
Many years ago, they were eating. And they asked the other guy, "How is the food?
Yeah.
The food." The guy said, "This is so good that makes me cry. That makes me chorar." So maybe you're right. The shora come from chorar. That means crying.
That's why
Right?
the guy put the name is Shorter.
Chowder.
You know what? I'm gonna tell you that if I lose my job, I know who took it. I know who took it. This is so good. What do you want? This is it.